Hello guys, this is a demo video to use NOAA SDK KYC system, which is a zero knowledge proof that verifies users on chain using ZK. So we have three operations that is happening. So first, the protocol will set up their requirements, and this requirement is dynamic in the case that protocol can actually update this requirement as things moves on. And this is the issuer operation. So issuer operation is basically KYC providers that can generate credential hash for users, because the KYC provider has credentials for users, verified credentials for users, and this credential hash can be registered on chain. So basically, let's test this out. The requirements for this particular protocol, which is a simple VOT protocol, has a requirement, and the requirement has been set already prior to this video, and the requirements can be updated later on. So let's let's register a credential hash. Let's register a credential hash, and let's say 20. So this will basically be the age and everything. So this is the credential hash. So let's register the credential hash. So what happens here is a gasless transaction, and it's going to register directly to the credential registry contract. Yeah, so let's wait for a while. So yeah, credential is registered already, and what we need to do now as a user, if you integrate NOAA on any platform or any protocol, these steps, right? So what happens here now, we wait for the credential to load. So when the credential is loaded, you can generate proof, and yeah, so we are waiting. Let us generate proof so that we can have access to this vault. At the moment, we don't have access to this vault. You can see I cannot deposit any meant2 ETH. So yeah, now we have generated a proof. So now let's verify the proof and let's grant access to this vault. So yes, so let's click on this. So now the transaction has been sent. Sorry, so we're waiting for the, you can see now we have access granted, so we have access to this vault already, and we can deposit 1 ETH into the vault. Yeah, so we can deposit 1 ETH into the vault, and let's wait for it to load. Yeah, you can see this deposit we had, and we can withdraw out the token, let's say 9 out of it. So we have access to the protocol because our credential matches the requirements of the vault example. So we verify this, click on this, and yes, so withdraw successful. You can see the balance updated. Thank you so much.